How's it going, team? We are back at Ellesmere. It's a gorgeous day for it, but hopefully that means the birds will be flying a bit lower, and yeah, the goal is, well, at the moment it is to plug a few Pūkekos.
Yeah, we'll try and make some Pūkeko pie or something like that. We'll chuck the waders on, go for a walk, and hopefully we can get some things.
But if we spring something else, that'll be coming home as well, so
we won't complain.
Yeah,
a win's a win.
Dripped out in our warehouse waders, so which are, you know, very cute. I feel like I'm a 5-year-old about to go on a rain day and jump through some puddles. So that might have been him flying away.
Good shooting.
That's a good looking bird. We'll take that. Nothing wrong with that. Right, let's go and try and get another one. But if we don't, we're going home and we're cooking this up.
Let's go. Alright. Time to get Pedro one. Just started raining again, but it's actually quite nice out here. There's one right there. One straight in front.
Oh. Found him. Let's go.
Too easy.
It's too easy. Fucked it.
Right. Home time.
Home time. Well done.
So we've got our Pūkeko breasts. So we reckon the go is we're just going to slice them into strips for sandwiches basically. And how do we want to cook them? Butter and garlic and salt, you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon a bit of salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Perfect.
I think it's dark.
Exactly. You just good hiss on that one.
I don't think it's time to put them in.
Oh well, we'll commit.
Boston.
Yum.
Yeah, go.
Kind of a one pickle job. Awkward of a shit.
Pūkeko is cooked.
Pūkeko's good to go.
It is time for the taste test.
Cheers.
Think it and sink it. It's okay.
That's alright. Tastes like the pepper. Low key just tastes like pepper. It's tender though.
It's got a feather in it.
Yeah, that can happen.
It's not the best.
It's not gamey.
No,
It doesn't taste like duck.
No, it does not.
Which is surprising, because this isn't duck.
Zoom. All right, the final taste test. The product we created.
Look at the cross section on there. You actually see it? Oh, awesome.
Right up and at 'em. I don't know about yours, but mine tastes pretty good.
Very flavorful. The crunchiness from the capsicum, the sweetness from the kewpie, and the gherkiness from the gherkin. Muy bien. Very complimenting to the Pūkeko.
Mine has barbecue sauce in it. I reckon that's the secret ingredient. I'm gonna slap them. Oh. There you go, folks. You can eat Pūkeko and it can taste alright.
The jury's out.
Good bread. I give the Pūkeko
I feel like
7 out of 10.
I think it compares pretty closely to the duck, but the duck that we cooked the other day, like got a real good crispy layer on it, which this didn't. So I think that's holding it back. But in terms of the meat flavour, it's good. So I'm gonna put this higher than duck. I'm gonna say 7.
But cool. It's not better than duck, but fair enough.